Experience the debut of our premier collection of shakuhachi flutes, where the world of luxury Lutherie meets the pinnacle of musical precision under the Zapata seal. Bamboo Colors offers a seamless, 360 degrees integral design, inviting you to personalize your instrument with a diverse palette of shades. These exquisite tones are curated to enhance the aesthetics of a new, exceptional pattern, an evolution of our acclaimed bamboo forest design. Tailor your shakuhachi today to your preferred key and style by following the link in the description box below.